Welcome back everyone. Girl is back again with some fake ass hair and I did my eyeballs yesterday. How does it look? I just thought to make some grey and blue together and just thought to color my eyeballs. How does it look now? It looks bomb. Agree with me. So today, in this video, we're going to do one and only. It's King Kylie Jenner's makeup. We are doing the peachy makeup tutorial she did one.
She looks so gorgeous. I think she's so pretty. She's so pretty. She's a fucking queen.
In this video, I'm going to try to create this similar kind of look. So yes, let's try do it. 70% of her makeup. Okay, not her, of course. Like she's gorgeous.
I don't need a filter. I'm naturally gorgeous.
I've just washed my face. It's still dry. So I'm gonna use this cream. I don't want to talk about my unpopular, unwanted, and nobody gives a fuck about my opinion. Sure, it's just not me who thinks about, you know, plastic surgeries and jobs, and when it comes to Jenners and Kardashians, like of course, you know, like this is the first thing that comes in everyone's mind, I guess. Like they were the one to make this popular. The more people are insecure with themselves, they're gonna go to the surgeries, they're gonna get it fixed, then they get botched sometimes, they're gonna correct it again. There's some people are making money, some people are like insecurity, like what is happening to this fucking world? Understand this. Like just because of women out there who were not secure about themselves or just wanted to change the way they wanted to look or change their bodies, whole thing, like even, of course they did not want to, you know, start this massive air of plastic surgery and getting yourself fixed somehow where you feel like you're, you know, not perfect. You don't want to be someone else. Like this is so scary. So I'm gonna use a primer, and also like all these teen girls, they are insecure. When I was a teenager, I don't remember who I was. Like I don't even know. Like we used to not even care about how are we looking. Seriously, you know, I used to just get up. My mom used to make my hair. Mom used to put something on my face and just like throw me in the school. I mean, that's what she did, and nobody cared. I swear nobody cared. And guys, like seriously, till 10th standard, I don't care about how I was looking. Primer, make sure you guys are sitting for a while, you know, so that the primer gets in. Take the foundation. In the corner. This is how the trend is going on these days. So we'll go with set my face next real quick. The peach shade from this Revolution palette. This one, I'm gonna just mix the peach one and the orange one a little bit. This is fine, this is not fine. Sometimes you think you're fine, but you're not really fine. This is fine. Okay, this is fine. On with the contouring, which is literally my favorite part, which is just absolutely my favorite part. It's literally my favorite palette, and I still use this for contouring because this brown shade is literally nowhere to be found. It's not that dark. Oh my gosh.
Have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so let's do my lips. Lips, I'm gonna take a dark brownish eye lipstick. I'm gonna say dark, medium dark brown lipstick, and we'll just outline the lips with it, and then we're gonna fill in with the peach. Just mattify this lipstick a little bit. I'm gonna take a peach powder, and I'm gonna take a brush. Where the fuck's my brush? Brush. I'm so sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna take. And that's how we get our perfect peach shade, which Kylie Jenner is wearing, alright? That's the finished looking enjoyed watching this video, and if you guessed it, make sure you press the like button below. And do not forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. You know, never really get influenced by the perfection of it. It's not real. There was time on social media where everyone used to post pictures which were perfect. Perfect in the sense they were perfect in the way the background was, or they were like aesthetically beautiful and everything. There were so many filters in it, so many filters. The time has come where social media itself is just telling us like to bring out the real you, and you know, this trend going on like we're so sick of the fucking Photoshop or something like that. Crazy how the time has come where we are chasing to accept the reality. Like we are chasing, not chasing, but the way it seems to be like that. That on social media we are portraying something which should be accepted, which was being accepted since ages. I don't think before like 10-20 years that people were like, I wish, you know, I would be a little more happy if my nose was like that. I wish I would be better than this. So much materialistic, man. So much materialistic. Everything has become so much, you know, on the basis of the physical appearance. This branch of plastic surgery and getting procedures done has increased tremendously in these years. Like, do let me know, like, what do you guys think? Like, are those females are the reason of it, or it's the social media?